After the discussion about Schrodinger's wave equation, now let us discuss about the important features of quantum mechanical model of an atom. Important features of quantum mechanical model of an atom. Now coming to the main point regarding this quantum mechanical model of the atom is here we know after discussion about Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, we discussed the main significance of Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. What we discussed, according to that principle, the circular paths concept of Bohr was ruled out. Okay? Now, when the stationary orbits or the Bohr orbits concept was ruled out, we need to know about one particular point, because Bohr explained about stability of the atom using this stationary orbits. Means when the electron is revolving around the nucleus in these paths or orbits, the energy of electron is constant. Okay? The same point was given in this quantum mechanical model as, note down, according to this model, the energy of the electron is quantized. Okay, means is a fixed value. Energy of the electron remains constant. So when it remains constant, after n number of revolutions also the energy of electron don't changes. So it won't collapse. The structure of the atom, the stability of the atom is good. Okay. Now, coming to the second point related to this quantum mechanical model, this theory explains about, this model explains about, as yesterday also we discussed after Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, the same point, the probability of finding the electron. This theory explains about probability of finding the electron in an atom. Okay? This quantum mechanical model explains about probability of finding the electron in the atom. Because according to Bohr concept, the electron revolves around the nucleus in a fixed path. But after Heisenberg uncertainty principle, we came to know there won't be any fixed path. But what we can measure means, we can measure only the probability of finding the electron. Okay? Even this theory explains about probability of finding the electron around the nucleus in an atom in three-dimensionally. Okay, because Bohr's model explains about the revolution of electron around the nucleus in a plane, but this theory explains about the probability of finding the electron in an atom in a three-dimensional manner. Okay. Now, in the Schrodinger's wave equation, we got one important word, psi. And we call that psi as wave function. Now let us discuss about the significance of psi. Significance of psi. What is meant by psi? First of all, So the first important thing, psi is a wave function. Okay, psi is a wave function, and coming to the importance of psi, it represents amplitude of wave. Okay, psi represents amplitude of wave. Even in the Schrodinger wave equation, we have mainly the function is around this psi only, because the psi gives complete information. It is like a storage of information of electron in the atom. So by solving this psi, we will get complete information of electron in an atom. Okay? Even psi represents atomic orbital. So we will discuss clearly what is meant by orbital, because till now, according to Bohr's model, we came to know about orbit. But now, according to this model, we are getting this new term orbital. So what is meant by orbital? What is the difference between orbit and an orbital? We will discuss furtherly. So first remember, the psi represents atomic orbital, because in an atom there will be many number of orbitals. Orbitals nothing but different energy levels. Okay, they will have different energies. Even coming to capacity of this orbital, generally you know a orbital can accommodate only 2 electrons. We will discuss completely about orbital, even the differences between orbit and orbital furtherly. Now coming to the other function, the second derivative, square of this wave function, psi square, is known as probability function. Psi square is known as probability function, or it is also known as probability density. Psi square is also known as probability density. Okay? Generally, most commonly it is called as a probability function. Now coming to the importance of this psi square gives and represents the probability of finding the electron. Probability means yesterday, while discussing about Heisenberg uncertainty principle, I clearly explained. Means chances, probability means. Even with the example also we discussed. Psi square represents probability of finding the electron. Okay, psi represents amplitude of wave. Coming to psi square, it represents the psi square represents intensity of wave. Okay, these are main difference between psi and psi square. Psi is a wave function. This psi square is a probability function. But psi represents complete information about the electron. Okay, even it represents the amplitude of wave. But coming to psi square, it is intensity of wave. And psi square represents the probability of finding the electron. Okay. Now we discussed about important features of this quantum mechanical model of an atom. In the next class, we will discuss about mainly the difference between orbit and orbital, or what are the types of orbitals. Before that, in the next coming Monday, you are going to write a weekend examination on the portion till what we completed. Okay. In the starting classes, Sridhar sir and Satya sir explained about basics of chemistry. So along with the basics of chemistry, now atomic structure lesson also. But not all these topics. For this weekend examination, the syllabus mainly, along with the basics of chemistry, atomic structure lesson up to drawbacks of Bohr's atomic model. Okay? Means after Bohr's atomic model, we discussed about Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Even today we discussed the quantum mechanical model as well as de Broglie's dual nature of matter. The questions based on these topics won't be there for weekend exam. Okay? Because you need to get sufficient time to solve the questions. So that is why I didn't include these topics in the weekend exam. So only the basics of chemistry, first starting classes, as well as along with that atomic structure up to the drawbacks of Bohr's model. Okay? So revise everything from the notes. You will come to know the importance of the notes now. So let's go through the notes. Even if you get doubt, you can watch the video again. Whatever the respective class videos are there, you can watch those videos in the app. So, and solve the questions from our material also. Good. All the best. Write the examination well. We will discuss furtherly in the next classes. Thank you.